Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, we are going to practice some daily use English sentences. So let's start. देखिबा जे हमर first sentence. तुमे कोन कहूछ? जदि हम जणको क्वेश्चन करूछि कि तुमे कोन कहूछ? तो क्वेश्चन करबा इंग्लिश रे What are you saying? What are you saying? Next one. मते किछि खाइबा को दियो. Give me something to eat. Give me something to eat. मोरो आउ किछि कहिबार नाही. I have nothing more to say. I have nothing more to say. तुमे जहा कहिलो मु बुझी पारिली कहबा इंग्लिश रे I understood what you said. I understood what you said. तुमे मते अणदेखा करूछ. You are ignoring me. You are ignoring me. तुमे मते अणदेखा करूछ. You are ignoring me. मु एही पाखरे रुहे कहबा इंग्लिश रे I live near here. I live near here. मु जाने नहीं काहे की I don't know why. I don't know why. एहाकु निजर बोली भाबो. Consider it your own. Consider it your own. एहाकु निजर बोली भाबो. Consider it your own. तुमे सबु किछि भूली जायछ. You have forgotten everything. You have forgotten everything. मो पाई सेठारे अपेक्षा करो. Wait for me there. Wait for me there. मु तुमको पूर्वरु कहि सारिछि. I have already told you. I have already told you. मु तुमको पूर्वरु कहि सारिछि. I have already told you. नेक्स्ट देखिबा. तुम घर को जीवा रास्ता कुह. Tell me the way to your house. Tell me the way to your house. मु तुमको अपेक्षा करिथिली. I was waiting for you. I was waiting for you. तुमे केते बेले आसीबो पचरीबा इंग्लिश रे When will you come? When will you come? Next one. तुमरो भूल धारणा अछि. You have the wrong idea. You have the wrong idea. एठारे केही भी नाहंती. There is no one here. There is no one here. तुमे केते दिन एठारे रहिबो? How many days will you stay here? How many days will you stay here? Next. मु सबु किछि भलो भाबरे जाने. I know everything well. I know everything well. मु सबु किछि भलो भाबरे जाने. I know everything well. Next one. मते आउ पचार नाही. Don't ask me again. Don't ask me again. मते ठकेबा को चेष्टा करो नाही. Don't try to cheat me. Don't try to cheat me. सेमाने आसीबा पई मना कले. They refused to come. They refused to come. किछि समय शांत रुह कहबा इंग्लिश रे Stay calm for a while. Stay calm for a while. Next one. मते सत्तरे भल लागिला. I really liked it. I really liked it. मो ठारू किछि लुचाओ नाही कहबा इंग्लिश रे Don't hide anything from me. Don't hide anything from me. अतीत को भूली जाओ. Forget the past. Forget the past. अतीत को भूली जाओ. Forget the past. मते एहर कारण कुह. Tell me the reason. Tell me the reason. Next one. तुमे कोन खोजुछ? पचारे इंग्लिश रे What are you looking for? What are you looking for? आउ कहा को पचारो. Ask someone else. Ask someone else. एहा आउ घटिबा को दियो नाही. Don't let it happen again. Don't let it happen again. मते एबे भोक नाही. I'm not hungry now. I'm not hungry now. मते एबे भोक नाही. I'm not hungry now.